I just got home from the grocery store and look what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna come around the back side here so you guys can see. Come on, guys. We're being invaded. Look at this. Look at all those turkeys. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. What is happening? What is happening? Oh my gosh, they're absolutely everywhere. They're all up there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Did you guys invite them over? Whose idea was this? Where's Thomasina? Oh, there they go. There they go. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Ladies, I absolutely do not condone having friends over when I'm gone. Oh my gosh. Look at. What on earth? Where did you all come from? Where did you all come from? Look at the males. I know. My whole little farm is just absolutely losing their minds. You guys, did you see what happened? Yeah, the ducks know. Yeah. Thomasina, was that scary? She put herself in the pen. She's like, no. Norman, what's on your face? Oh, Thomasina, they came to see you. It was so scary. Skitterboo, you should have done a better job. Next time, you need to send them away. Okay? Do better job. Do better. I know. Hi, ducks. Was that crazy? Was that crazy? Yeah, it was, huh? Out of control.